Hello Gedi buddies, how are you guys? So I have fixed a schedule to upload this MotoVlog. I hope you are satisfied with the schedule. I will be uploading the MotoVlog videos on Tuesday, Friday and Sunday, 3 days a week. Rest of the days, other videos would be simple DashCam videos. Sometimes that can be time lapse, sometimes that can be DashCam with traffic sounds, and sometimes with the music. That would be random, but I have fixed the MotoVlog days: Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So today I have just uploaded a simple video, but this this MotoVlog video is little late for today. But currently I am just recording the video for you guys and just showing you areas on the local streets here. And let me see if any one of you can guess the area. I won't be telling the name, but just showing you the area. Now currently the time is around 8 p.m. So it has got dark now, so you won't be able to see much of it. But if I use the night cam mode, or you can say the HDR mode, in that it's easy to see in the dark also because of the HDR function. But the using HDR function, the stability is not available, so I usually avoid it. There is a big speed breaker here, and usually the speed breakers are a little bouncy, but this big speed breaker is not at all bouncy. So this is a small area here, the small colony, and this colony is built around the park. This is the park. I got little late, otherwise you would see everything in high detail. But now it has become so dark now. The kids were amazed of the action camera, a camera on the transport. For those guys who are new to the channel, what is a transport? Anything that you use to travel, whether in space, whether on earth, that is called a transport. So I don't call my two-wheeler or my car a car or a two-wheeler. I just call it transport. Easy for me to say, and I don't need to remember whether I'm driving a car, scooty, or anything else, a ski, a plane, or a ship. So it's easy for me to call it a transport. So it's very dark here. Let me go to a market, and there I can show you some areas for you to see and enjoy the MotoVlog. It's late in the evening, 8 p.m., so it gets pretty chaotic in most of the parts of the Ludhiana. So same here, a lot of traffic. So many of the scientists or analysts, they keep on analyzing huge sums of data and keep on experimenting a lot. And one of the scientists or researchers has suggested to eliminate to eliminate the traffic, it's simple to eliminate the cars, ban all the private cars. So what you guys think about that? So according to him, if you ban those private cars, usually people use cars alone, so they are occupying. If you talk of a small car, the small car occupies the parking area for six bicycles. So if he doesn't drive the car and use the bicycle, or if he can't use a bicycle, he can use the taxi. So that is a very efficient way to control the traffic. If you can use bicycle, that's well and good. If you can't, then use a taxi, because according to him, we buy cars, spend a huge sum of money on the cars. So that's which wastage of money. What the fuck? So that's a lot of money you spend on the car, and that's a wastage of money, because 95% of the time your car is where? In the parking. It's all the time parked and doing nothing. Your huge sum of money is just standing at some place, and still you need to give parking rent, or you need to pay for parking fees. That's it, man. It's good if you can use a taxi. You don't need to spend a lot of money on the car. You need to spend only small amounts on your journey. Okay. And another point is that I forgot. Oh, let me remember, because there is so much chaotic. Man, this street seems to be very small after such a long time. Yeah, I remember. One thing is you are saving some space. Second thing is you are saving some money. And another thing is you can use that amount to invest somewhere. Okay. And it helps to reduce the pollution also. And that same person has shown in a study that what we think that big amount of pollution is through car emission, through the exhaust pipe. But he have shown that that's not right. The large number of pollution that comes from the cars, the major amount of it is from the tires and the roads. Wearing of the roads and wearing of the tires creates more pollution than the pollution coming from the exhaust pipes. And other reasons for the pollution are construction. If more people buy cars, you need more space on the roads. You need bigger roads and more. Man, that creates more pollution. More cars, more roads, more pollution. So it is better to ban cars in certain part of the city and use bicycles or taxis. Taxis are the efficient way to travel, because they don't keep on standing somewhere all the time. They are 90% traveling. Very less time they have standing somewhere. So what do you think, guys? I was astonished reading all the facts and figures that the tires are creating more pollution, man, than the exhaust pipe. Because if that is right, then man, buying more EVs Does that will impact? Does that will help prevent more pollution? Man, that's a big question. So, is that right, or it's just a conspiracy to give a disadvantage of the EV and prove that internal combustion IC cars are the better way to travel? I don't know what it is. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. So I was really amazed on these facts and figures. I don't know who is telling the truth and who is just giving the numbers to specify some his goal. I don't know. So all these studies is aside. So this video is completely different. I guess this is not a motovlog. This is just a talk over the pollution and the environment protection, man. Let me know what you guys think. So this was a random Gedi without any info about the places. I hope you like this